Hindi mo alam. Kung babasahin mo, hindi tama yung pinaggagawa ninyo. Diba?
Mr. Chair.
Pursuant to the IRR of Republic Act 9208, Anti-Trafficking in Persons Act. Hindi mo alam.
Hindi ko po kabisado, Mr. Chair.
Yes.
Opo, sir. Mr. Chair.
Yun nga yung sinasabi ko eh. Sagot ka ng sagot. Alam mo, pero hindi mo alam. Kaya tuloy, parang nagsisinungaling ka. Diba? Kung nakita mo yung pagtatanong ko sa'yo, ano yung pinaggagawa mo, tinatanong ko kasi alam ko yung dapat gagawin eh. Pag ganito ang krimen.
Chairman ako,
At ikaw,
if I may.
madali lang.
Sige.
Kasi nawawala yung
Momentum. Sige, go ahead. Chairman ako, sige, go ahead.
Hindi ba? Kaya nga na-detain sila ng 14 days. Dahil sa yung hindi kaalaman ng batas. And ignorance of the law does not excuse anyone. Hindi mo alam yung batas eh. Kaya dapat, bilang commander, nag-research ka. Meron na ang sulat sa iyo ng mga abogado ng mga babae, ayaw mo pa rin maniwala dun sa sulat. And I have a copy of that letter.
Mr. Chair, can I answer po?
Teka, hindi pa ako nagtatanong. Hindi ba, inilipat. In-order mo pa nga na ilipat sila. After 4 days, dun sa DSUU, inilipat mo sila sa Tambo. Tama?
Tama po, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Ikaw ang nag-order?
Dahil po nung...
Nagutin mo yung tanong ko.
Opo, Mr. Chair. Ako po nagpadala doon sa kanila.
Nag-i-explain ka kaagad eh. Ikaw ang nag-order. And therefore, tama yung reklamo sa iyo eh. Na isama ka doon sa arbitrary detention case na ipa-file nila. Kasi ikaw ang nag-utos eh. Na in spite of the fact na tumulat sa iyo ng yung lawyer na nila na dapat i-release mo na dahil wala kayong legal basis na i-detain sila. Lahat ng sinagot sa iyo ng mga ahensya ng gobyerno ay wala naman nagsasabi kasi ang importante doon ay merong complaint na manggagaling doon sa naging biktima na ipinipilit ninyo na pirmahan ng mga babae.
10:36 a.m. po yung nag-forward po ako ng schedule report kay RD.
And 11 a.m., 3 minutes and 50 seconds, you were able to talk with General Nartates. Yes or no?
Tama po yun.
Correct.
Opo.
So kung nagkausap kayo ng 11 a.m. at nalaman mo na ng 10:36 yung 27 million, ba't hindi mo pa sinabi kay General Nartates?
Mr. Chair, sinabi ko po sa kanya na meron pong diniklara yung ating Chief DSOU na pera.
Sinabi mo yung 27 million?
Wala pong...
Ba't hindi mo sinabi?
Wala pang figure pa po yan, pera pa lang po, Mr. Chair. Wala pa, hindi ko pa po alam yung figura. Hindi ko pa po alam ang figure nung. Kaya nga nung pagkasabi po sa akin ni Chief DSOU na meron silang nakuha mang pera at tinanong ko sa kanya nung araw na yon kung yung ba'y naka-inventaryo, sinabi niya sa akin na hindi. Immediately nagalit ako sa kanya. Sinabi ko sa kanya, bakit nyo kinuha yan nang wala namang inventaryo? Pera ng mga Chinese yan.
Okay. General Mariano, you speak to the chairman.
Mr. Chairman.
Sorry,
Mr. Chairman.
Sige. This is just in relation to that topic here, Mr. Chair. Because at the last hearing, I categorically asked Colonel Guevara and General Mariano as far as that information is concerned. And it is on record in our last meeting, Mr. Chair, that Colonel Guevara said that after their operations, he went to see General Mariano. And during that meeting, Mr. Chair, he said that he was directed by General Mariano not to include the 27 million. I also asked General Mariano, did you order Colonel Guevara not to include it? He said, I did not do it. And then I said, who asked or who mentioned not to include the 27 million. At that time, Your Honor, that was 10 o'clock, Mr. Chair. Colonel Guevara, is that correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So at that time, General Mariano knew already of the 27 million.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
General Mariano, in my questioning in the last hearing, did I not ask you categorically whether or not you ordered Colonel Guevara not to include the 27 million in the initial report? And you said you did not. But you already knew about the amount.
Mr. Chair, hindi ko po alam kung magkano. Sinabi lang po niya, Mr. Chair, na may pera silang nakuha na hindi nila in-inventaryo sa nung araw na yun, Mr. Chair. Wala pa pong pera.
Exact figure.
Yes, walang exact figure kasi kung nagsasabi po siya ng totoo kung ano po.
Okay,
Mr. Chair.
assuming for granted, no, that's correct. Why did you not include that in your report to General Nartates, that there was an amount exceeding the 4.6 million when he called you?
Sinabi ko po sa kanya,